Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, today our video comes from our Wing Chun Chi Sao kicking section. It's about how to counter a Gumgurk, but before we get there I need you to go over, click the boxes to like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Have a great day and thank you for your continued support.
You can counter your opponent's Gumgurk, the leg coming from on top, pressing down, by releasing the force. So, my opponent counters, I yun around his gum, and I sidekick the supporting leg. As your opponent counters your knee strike, yun around, and sidekick the supporting leg. Check and punch to finish.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.